Welcome to the first video, the foundation of algebra. Here's some basic vocabulary you should know. A variable is a quantity that may change over the course of a math problem. In other words, it doesn't have a fixed value like numbers do. Examples are x, y, a, b, etc. Expressions do not have equated values assigned to them. In other words, they don't have the equal sign. Some examples are 3x plus 2, 6 plus 3, etc. Now 6 plus 3 is an expression because it does not have the equal sign, therefore it's not being told as to what it's equal to. Equations do have an assigned value though. In other words, they do have the equal sign. Now in this case, 6 plus 3 equals 9 would be an equation, along with 3x plus 2 equals 5. A coefficient is the number being multiplied to a variable. An example would be, in 3c, 3 is the coefficient since it's being multiplied to c. How to evaluate expressions. Let's take a look at this first problem. 6 plus a plus 3b, when a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. Let's substitute the variables for which they are equal to. 6 plus 2 plus 3 times 4. Here's the side note. 3b is equal to 3 times b, not 3 plus b. Use the order of operations to solve this expression. 6 plus 2 plus 12 is equal to 20. Now let's take a look at the second problem. Evaluate 12a plus 21b plus c plus 3 when a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3. Substitute the variables for which they are equal to, just like we did in the last problem. Now let's use the order of operations to solve this expression. 12 plus 42 plus 3 plus 3 equals 60. Done! Combining like terms. Like terms are units in an expression that have the same numbers being multiplied to the same variables. Some examples are 3x and 5x. They are like terms because they are being multiplied to the same variable, x. 3x and 2y are not like terms. They're not being multiplied by the same variable. Therefore, you can't add them. To simplify expressions, you can combine like terms to make things simpler. An example is 3x plus 5x plus 2y plus 4y. This can be simplified to 8x plus 6y. Do you see how? Solving equations. Just like simplifying expressions, we're just using an equation symbol now. 4x plus 16 is equal to 24. Let's take a look at this problem. First of all, we got to move all the like terms onto each side of the equation. 4x plus 8 is equal to 8. We've got that. Now let's divide the equation by the coefficient to isolate the variable. A key point you should remember is when you're simplifying expressions or solving equations, you should always follow the order of operations. PEMDAS. X is equal to 2. Boom, that's our answer. Here are some challenge questions for you to practice. Try it out on your own, and they will be answered next video. For more practice, here are some free worksheets at kudasoftware.com. Do you have any questions? Leave a comment on the bottom of this video. Thank you for watching.